Some of you may have seen the words throttle, yaw, pitch, and roll in some of the airplane or drone terminology. So, what do they mean? I'm pretty sure some of you don't know what throttle, yaw, pitch, and roll actually means. You know their airplane drone terminology, but you won't know what they mean. So let's go with the throttle first. Throttle is the vertical up and down movement. There's two types of throttle: plus throttle and negative throttle. Oops. So, what are they? Positive throttle lets your drone go upwards. Negative throttle does the opposite, makes it go downwards. Then yaw. Yaw is the left and right rotation of the drone. And this also has positive yaw, which means rotate to the left, rotate clockwise, and negative yaw, which means rotate anti-clockwise from the bird eye view, of course. Bird eye view. From the looking at the drone from above. And then there's pitch. Pitch is the forward backward tilt of the drone. This is what moves the drone. So the forward and the backwards tilt of the drone. Oops. This also has pitch. Positive pitch means go forwards. And negative pitch means go backwards. And then there's the last movement called roll. This is the side to side tilt of the drone. This is where the drone can move without looking at that direction. So again, there's positive roll, which means go to the right of the drone, right from the drone perspective, and negative roll. Negative roll, which means tilt to the left from the drone's perspective. I don't know why this just decided to delete it, so. And so it looks something like this. The wing movement looks like this on a on the throttle, positive throttle, and this should go the opposite direction. All of them should go the opposite direction. So clockwise go anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise go clockwise. And then this goes down. Also this roll right, if you change it, if you put this on this side and then just reflect this, so this becomes anti-clockwise on this side, this becomes clockwise on this side, and this is also the same, just becomes different. This is what rotates, so this is the yaw of the drone. You can change it again by just doing the exact opposite, rotating the wings exact opposite. So that's basically it for the learning of throttle, yaw, pitch, and roll. So while we learned this, we can make codes such as, so first you would need hashtag include library, oh wait, never mind, CoDrone.h, which includes the library setup, pretty sure that's the setup. Oh no, it's the void setup. And then you do the parentheses without anything inside. Then you do the squiggly lines, CoDrone.begin 115200, and then CoDrone.autoConnect, which connects to the nearby drone. Mind, this is not nearby drone, this is random drone within your area. So on this we can make a new code. So from the tutorials before, we learned CoDrone.flight event, right? And then we learned takeoff. Then we can delay this code by, let's say, 4,000, maybe 5,000, 5 seconds. 5 seconds delay. And then we so this takes off. So I want to make it go forwards. That's pitch. So then pitch equals maybe 50 pitch. And I also wanted to go to the left side of the drone. So roll equals -50. This will make the drone go on a diagonal line. Let me quickly add void loop. But only this won't make the drone go pitch and roll. So you need to add something called CoDrone.control. This is a code that will get this and then execute that code. And then we can delay this again to make a landing. Delay, let's say another 5,000 delay. Then CoDrone.flight event landing. This will land the drone and successfully landed, basically. So what this does will first, it will connect to a nearby drone, then it'll take off, and then the code will be stopped for 5 seconds here. So it'll just be in the takeoff position. Then it'll pitch and roll at the same time. Negative roll is to the drone's left side. Pitch is forward movement. So it's going. So if the drone's head was pointing at north, then the drone would move in a northwest position, because 50 and -50, so that'll mean it'll go straight through the middle. To practice the pitch and roll, yaw, throttle, terminology. I think I have an activity for you. You can do this activity called human drone. So basically, you get yourself a partner. Okay, I guess what you need a partner. You also need an object, like a water bottle, um, pencil case, a cup. A cup can be fine too. And yeah, that's basically it. That's the only thing you need. So the objective of this activity is to make your blindfold. So the objective of this game activity is to first blindfold your partner, then place your object on some space. Place your object around the room. It could be in the corner of the room, it could be on top of a table. Make sure your partner can reach it though. And then use your CoDrone terminology to make your partner move. In this case, so if I were to say I wanted him to take 5 steps forward, I would say pitch 5. If I wanted him to go 5 steps sideways, then I would say sideways, maybe right. I would say roll -5. Oh, try. Roll +5. So then he would go to the right. So I would like you to I would like you to do this activity so that you can practice on your words of the CoDrone terminology: throttle, yaw, pitch, and roll. Good luck.